Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my HOBONICHI weeks that I use for work. And this is last week's spread using my Winter Forest collection and some washi from the Coffee Monsters Co. and Simply Gilded. You know what? I didn't actually mind that line too much, but then again, I didn't really refer to my planner, my work planner this week, just because of the way work was this week. I didn't really need to refer to my planner as much. Like basically most of my meetings were canceled. Anyway, so moving to this week, which is Monday, January 17th through to Sunday, January 23rd, I will be using bits and pieces from, what is this kit called? This is from Let's Plan It, and this is called Aspen. Now, the thing with this particular kit is that it is made for the HOBONICHI cousin weekly spread as well as the daily spread. Obviously I won't be, like, this is not made for the HOBONICHI weeks, but you guys know me, I am pretty flexible when it comes to stuff like this. So I will be using as well, just taking it out here. This is what happens when you've got, you know, very well produced videos. Probably adding in some pine trees from According to Allie, maybe some birds, I don't know, we'll see. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is actually, let's see, I'm gonna write in or brush letter in the days of the week, and the colors that I've chosen for this week for my Tombow Dual brush pens are 526 and 192. So let's turn this over this way, and I'm gonna go ahead and brush letter that in. I might just do actually the first letter, I don't know if the whole thing will fit. Now it looks weird that it's on the side like that, but whatever. And then Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. All right. Actually, I already don't mind those colors. So then, making sure that I'm still in frame, I want to put down, because I know that washi I will use in the, I might use that Adventure Awaits, but all of this washi is supposed to be for the daily spreads. I don't think I'm going to use all that. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, I'm not going to use all that. So I have this here as well as this. So I'm going to take this Adventure Awaits sticker and place it down here in this. Hold on. I'm already changing my mind. Because, you know, that's me. That's what happens. Okay, no, we'll place it down here. Along with the bird, and this bird is from According to Allie, and I think it's gorgeous. Stunning, stunning. And then I'm going to take these two washi, place them on my hand like so, and I'm actually going to place the washi going down like this. Ugh. I don't know, there's something about the washi going down like this that is really aesthetically pleasing for me. Don't know why. Then I feel like just a little something is needed in, little something is needed in this corner. Oh, before I do that, I think I'm going to be using either this ink or my Lamy Vista, which has Colorverse PSC still in there. Yeah, I haven't used it in a couple of weeks. I'm just checking to make sure that it's, oh yeah, still. I'm having a hard start here, hold on. There it is. Ooh. I think we got it. Okay. So I'm going to end up using those two inks because they're blue and green. But I feel like I need to add something down here. Maybe not the green one, maybe the blue one. I always love getting these like extra deco sheets from Let's Planet because I find them so great. Oh, did I want to put in a tree? I think I kind of do. Ooh. However, I'm going to probably have to cut off half the tree. Put this down. Maybe not half the tree. Maybe just teeny tiny bit because I love Allie's artwork. It's just gorgeous. So maybe I can cut off just this little bit here. And I know that the stickers that both of these shops have on their white matte paper can be quite thick, but I don't mind. I want to see what a chunky planner will be like at the end of the year. So let's just check back with my fountain pen. Good. I'm taking my new rose gold ruler from the Coffee Monsters Co. I'm going to draw a line all the way down. And this is my TWSBI Eco Tea. And it currently has Pilot Iroshizuku Shinkai in it. And I love this ink. Love this ink. I'm going to take one of these to-do stickers and place it up here. And I know it's not meant for this, but that's okay. To do, and I'm going to put maybe priorities. Yeah, place priorities over here, and that I don't mind it covering where it says like January and all that, because this will be where my meetings go. Oh, I love that already. I actually really like that. And oh, it was normally I put get it done there, don't I? Family time, appointment, any other? No, I'm gonna leave that as is. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in and write in all my meetings. Alright, so that is the overall finished spread. I really like the blues and the greens of it, and you can tell I made a little mistake there, but that's okay. I am actually really loving this, and the way that I've been using like the note section, I haven't had to take many notes recently, so this is enough space. And if it's not enough space, I always have the note section in the back, so it's not too big of a deal. I like experimenting with where I place the washi and the different stickers, but I also try not to use too many because it is all about function here for me. Alright, but again, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.